Okay, we have baked the cinnamon rolls at 375 for about 25 minutes, but watch them carefully because you just want to make them be light brown. These, unfortunately, for some reason, didn't rise as much as they normally do, but of course that's because I was trying to film it. But I just take a spatula and kind of separate them. And before you bake them, you might want to let them sit out for about 15 minutes so that they will rise a little bit more. So you just move them away from the side. These seem not to have stuck very much. But then you, for the glaze, you use 1 cup powdered sugar, ½ teaspoon vanilla, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and that's just for 1 dozen. So for 2 dozen, it would be at least 2 cups powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 or 4 tablespoons of milk. And I probably use more milk than that. You want it at a good spreading consistency. And then I just, you can drizzle it on, but what I usually do is drizzle and then spread so that it's it gets onto all the rolls, and you can get the corners and just try to get the, I probably use more than what the recipe calls for in the powdered sugar and milk, because I like about a cup's worth of glaze on my cinnamon rolls. The glaze is always very popular with people. They like to lick the bottom of the pan when it's empty. Okay, this is what they look like when they're done, but like I said, normally they are bigger. If you make just a dozen at a time,